We're going to start with the main board first. There are just 3 plugs here plus the ribbon cable connection that we're going to get out first, and then we're going to pull these 2 screws off the board, and that should pull it away from the back. You just want to pinch on the bottom to where the latch comes up over the plug. They should just come right out. Same thing with this guy. The ribbon cable connection, you want to get your fingernail underneath the flap, pop it up, and these should just ease out of there. We can get the screws. Should be it for the main board. Lastly, we have the T-con board. It is going to be underneath this plate, so we are going to need to get these 4 screws out just so we can even see what's underneath. Well, this should lift up and away. There are 2 pieces of tape here. So what we're going to do, while I have this open, we're going to go ahead and get the ribbon cable connections here and here unlocked. And these should just come right out. The T-con. Well, let's get this tape out of here. We can just set this down here. And then this top plug is going to be pinching on the 2 sides to release the connection. And we are going to probably have to work this out of here a little bit. And with just the 4 screws. Pretty simple stuff.